White House Health Resort will be a customized health resort offering an exotic environment built on exquisite flora and fauna, nestling amidst the hills.
We are in a peculiar era in human history where problems of treatment are vanishing and problems of management are increasingly coming forth. Management means I want to get rid of whatever affliction I have and I want to come back to my health as a basic thing. Secondly, I want to increase my health to level of fitness, and if I am fit enough, I must be able to perform whatever I want to perform. Now these three things are one after the other. So initially we must be healthy. Health is the ability to enjoy every moment of life without any cause. Now once I know I am healthy, then I can look forward towards fitness. Fitness is integration of all the motor characteristics in our body. That means we have basically three motor functions, like we have strength, we have flexibility, and we have endurance. And also we have skill and sort of speed. Now these five characteristics along with mind, if we improve, we become more and more fit. So most of the times it's listening to the body and taking some corrective action. That is the first priority in health, and that will be teaching. Secondly, understanding the mind. So in that sense, what we'll be giving you a good idea regarding how the mind and body work together so closely that mental states affect the body, bodily states affect the mind. Our aim is that we should be healthy first, we must be fit, and then we must be able to perform. At the White House Health Resort, we'll be welcoming people who want to understand themselves first and then understand their environment, so that they and their environment will work together to the benefit of them and their environment. And this is a kind of an eco-friendly resort where we are interested that we, as part of nature, don't destroy the nature.
White House Health Resorts offers solutions to various health problems through natural Ayurveda, naturopathy, herbal treatment, massages, meditation, and yoga.
I am contributing towards skincare at the White House Health Resorts. Today, with increasing urbanization, hectic lifestyles, we all find that we overextend ourselves, don't look after ourselves, and therefore the whole idea of this health center is to bring you back to your basics, which allows you to lead a healthier, more balanced life. Everybody today wants to look their best, but along with looking good, you need to look after your internal health, and that is what we believe and stress on at White House Health Resorts. So we offer good skincare which enables you to look good at all times, along with improving your sleep, exercise, fitness patterns and nutrition, so that internally you are healthy, and that reflects in your face, in your body, in your skin, enabling you to look your best always. White House Health Resorts offers to take care of all your skin and healthcare requirements, along with your fitness and nutrition, to enable you to go back to being the healthier, younger, brighter you.
Here at White House Health Resort, I will be taking care of the slimming services. Our slimming services here are very unique in the sense that we focus on a la carte slimming. We're going to focus on the body area that you've always desired. If you want to lose your stomach, or if you want to lose your arms while maintaining those cute cheeks, we're going to take care of that here. So in addition to our very unique NAL machine, which is noradrenaline release, a very unique and safe machine in the market, the only of its kind in this area, we're also focusing on some great diet counseling as well as active exercise. So when you come here at White House Health Resort, we're going to focus on your overall health needs in a way that when you lose your weight, you're never coming back with the same exact problem again. So whether you're grossly overweight or you just need those last tidbits, we invite you all from all over the country to make use of our very unique services here at White House Health Resort.
White House Resorts is unique in the world, an environment created for individual experiment.
In White House Health Resort, I, Dr. Gayatri Vaze, welcome you. As a homeopath, I will guide you for good health and well-being.
I am Dr. Shekhar Vaze from Indian System of Medicine, that is Ayurveda. We are here to give you an holistic approach to your day-to-day life. Our motto is to have a betterment of your life and peace and calm, steady life. We are having all sorts of Ayurvedic appliances over here, which will give you day to day your activities and lifestyle, how to live in that period. Along with me, my team is here and also my assistants for the Ayurvedic consultancy. We again welcome you for White House Health Resort.
White House is a unique health resort, a perfect hideaway with captivating and comfortable surroundings, homely and attentive service. If you would like to devote your next holiday to your health and well-being, why not treat yourself with some days between majestic mountains? These natural paradise offers specially rejuvenating features.
Welcome to the family of White House Health Resort.
We are here to change your life permanently. I've been teaching yoga, exercise, alpha level of mind since last 27 years. I've solved many people's problems like backache, blood pressure, sugar, hair fall. But most significant thing that we have done at White House Health Resort is we as a team has developed a beautiful technique where we teach people how to enjoy their life. With all these problems, people have just forgotten how to enjoy their life. They want more. What about life? We have to enjoy the life. We have done a secret mission of solving their problems and make people very happy. So you are most welcome at White House Resort. We are going to make you a really happy person.
Physically and mentally, healthy workforce is essential for any organization growth. White House Health Resort offers regular membership along with corporate membership with exclusive benefits.
Hello, I am Shantilal Joshi. I joined White House Group of Companies as their civil engineering head. After a few months, I had a health scare. I was having a problem of urine passing. So I visited regular doctors for that. They suggested me a small surgery, and my boss told me, Mr. Vinod Rao, that you please try Ayurveda medicine for this this problem. So initially I hesitated, but then I gave in and I said, okay, let me try for a week or 15 days. I approached his consulting team of Ayurveda, and they suggested me to have their regular course of tablets and all that. So it's almost 6 months I am taking that tablets, and I feel I am quite relieved of my problem.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर विलास नागरगोजे है। डॉक्टर विनोद राव ने जो व्हाइट हाउस रिजॉर्ट हेल्थ रिजॉर्ट जो चालू किया है उसके लिए मेरी तरफ से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं हैं। डॉक्टर विनोद राव के साथ मैंने हेल्थ और योगा का जो प्रशिक्षण लिया है उससे मुझे काफ़ी सारा परिणाम अच्छा मिला है। मेरा ब्लड शुगर नॉर्मल हुआ है और ब्लड प्रेशर भी कभी बढ़ा नहीं है। डॉक्टर विनोद राव ने जो व्हाइट हाउस हेल्थ रिजॉर्ट चालू किया है उसका फ़ायदा सब लोगों को अच्छे से हो जाएगा।
Dr. Vinod Rao told me he is a doctor and he wants to open a health center. Actually, at that time I was very overweight. I discussed my problem with him regarding weight. Moreover, I have been taking medication for blood pressure and cholesterol. And I discussed all these things with Dr. Vinod Rao. He told me these things are very much curable, and he suggested me some workouts, some diets without affecting your day-to-day schedule. Within a period of 1 week, I could feel the difference in my entire body, mind, even in my soul also. Basically, he suggested some workouts, diet control, breathing exercise, and after 1 month, he added meditation also, which are not very tough. Of course, you have to be determined to follow that. Not very tough. I have been following since then. My weight so far reduced by 11 kg. Now I can feel my body is very much energetic and mind is very light. I could feel a lot of confidence in me, additional confidence. Another thing, I could feel like I have been taking medication for blood pressure and cholesterol. Over the period, I feel my mind is getting cool and calm, stable mind. Previously, I was having anger very frequently. Now that has been reduced drastically. I get angry now. Doing overall all these things, what I could feel, this is not simple technical methods. Whatever his methodology is there, it is having some divine things. The way things are going on, I am very sure I will recover from the problem of my blood pressure and cholesterol over the period, because that course is about duration is 1 year and it is only 2.5 months, and I can feel drastic difference in me, and I am sure that by the period of 1 year is over, I will recover from all these problems. I really feel I am blessed to meet Dr. Vinod Rao. He is such a kind of motivating person. Without motivation, it may not be possible to complete the task. He is a great motivator. Because of that only I could start the things, methodology suggested by him.
After my father started this course, I never thought that he would be so successful. I thought that this was just a general course to just maintain health, but I never thought that he would reach so far. And I just want to congrats him for achieving this. I would definitely like to thank Dr. Vinod Rao from White House Health Center, and I think the results speak for themselves.
मी श्री S.T. भागवत, न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड तारापूर या ठिकाणी फोरमॅन बी या पदावर काम करत असून गेली 6 आठवडे मी श्री डॉक्टर विनोदराव यांच्याकडे हेल्थ आणि आरोग्याच्या संदर्भामध्ये ट्रेनिंग घेत आहे, आणि त्या ट्रेनिंगचा मला आणि माझ्या कुटुंबाला खूप चांगल्या प्रमाणाने फायदा झालेला आहे. तसेच माझ्या कामावरती आणि माझ्या व्यवसायामध्ये सुद्धा खूप त्याचा मला फायदा होत आहे. अशाच प्रकारचा फायदा व्हाईट हाऊस रिसोर्ट याचा इतरही सर्व लोकांना हो आणि त्यांचे जीवन सुखी आणि आरोग्यदायी राहो ही माझी सदिच्छा आहे.
First of all, I want to tell you about my experience. 6-7 months back, I was suffering from my back kick, और ये काफ़ी ही ज़्यादा था, जिसकी वजह से मैं इवन यू कैन से मैं प्रॉपर मेरे जो प्रॉपर काम होते थे वो भी मैं नहीं कर सकता था. बट एक छोटा सा मेडिटेशन और ट्रीटमेंट की वजह से आज मैं आई एम फीलिंग वेरी ओके एंड वेरी ईज एंड वेरी नॉर्मल. उसमें मैं मिस्टर विनोद राव साहब को एक छोटा सा धन्यवाद दूंगा. उनकी वजह से आज ये ऐसा चीज़ पॉसिबल हो सका है.
The resort offers you independence as much as needed privacy in your own individual health apartments and health row houses, and provides you the opportunity to explore the luxury of green living. To understand White House Health Resort and a health treatment facility, you have to visit this place that is situated between a mountain and river to feel the natural gleam it offers.
The English word health comes from the English word heal, meaning wholeness or sound or being well. A man too busy to take care of his health is like a mechanic too busy to take care of his tools. Therefore, please take care of your health with steadfast fidelity. The soul must see through the eyes alone, and if they are dim, the whole world is clouded. At White House Health Resort, we offer a complete cure for chronic ailments in an ultra-modern facility amidst nature. Please visit us at White House Health Resort to experience the bliss that we have for you, which you can cherish for your whole life along with your grandchildren. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have the inclination, we have the time. Thank you.